So yo, what's up guys, today we will teach how to change your account type from standard user to administrator and from administrator to standard user. Just click on start button and go to settings. When you go on settings, just click on accounts. This is very easy, and click on family and other users. Just click there and there we see the other users on this computer like GA. So I have GA user on this computer. Just click on there and change account type. When you click on there, and there we can see account type. There's administrator, click on administrator, and there's one more standard user. Click on there. Now this account just click on OK. Now this account not have any administrator permissions. Yes, and if you want to give it administrator permissions, just click on change account type, and again the process choose administrator and click OK. And now it has no administrator permissions, but there is an error with the windows and pop-up shows like an error occurred. So for the users have error, just click on this PC. It opens your file explorer. Just now click on this PC, right click on this PC and click manage. When you click on manage, wait a second, click on manage and window open like this, computer management. Just click on local users and groups. Just click on there, and when you click on there, there's two folders, users and groups. You can click on users and there's your all users are there. Just click on user which you put administrator permissions. My English is not good, so please compromise. Just click on Ahmed because I want to give it administrator. Oh sorry, I want to give GA administrator. I want this member to give administrator permissions, and then click on general member of, and then click on users and just remove this. Then it works and no error can be tags. And some users have not this, only users. So click add and then go to advanced and then click on find now. Then find administrator and then click on OK. And as we have administrator in the bar, click apply, then click OK. So there is no any error with the an error has occurred window. Now we have administrator permissions in it. Thanks for watching. If you want to tell about more topics, you can only comment below a comment section. Just tell me in a comment section and give me permission to bye bye. Thanks for watching.